Oscar and Alex. They were very, very, very nice. They did the job well. They went to get the pump, and they did it the same night. You see, and it was very, very nice. And they were two wonderful people, boys. They were very, very, very nice. They did a nice job, and they were, and you know, that's all I can say about it.